Hello and welcome to JoinLife, your partner in good health. In a world full of expensive detox trends, there's one simple habit that costs almost nothing and offers incredible benefits: drinking warm water with lemon first thing in the morning. But what really happens in your body when you do this daily? Let's find out. So, what exactly does this simple drink do for your body? Here are the top benefits of drinking warm water with lemon every morning. The first benefit of drinking warm water with lemon is it boosts digestion. Warm water wakes up your digestive system, and lemon stimulates the production of digestive juices. Together, they help your body break down food, reduce bloating, and promote smoother bowel movements. The next benefit is it acts as a natural detox for your liver. Lemon supports liver function and helps the body eliminate toxins naturally. It gently cleanses your system, leaving you feeling lighter and more refreshed. The third benefit of warm water with lemon on an empty stomach is it strengthens immunity. Lemons are a powerhouse of vitamin C, known to boost your immune system. Drinking this mixture daily helps your body fight off infections and common colds. The fourth benefit is it aids in weight management. Warm lemon water curbs hunger cravings and helps keep you full. It's a great support for anyone looking to manage their weight naturally. The fifth benefit, it's a rich source of nutrients. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and fiber. Surprisingly, they contain more potassium than apples or grapes, which supports heart and muscle function. The sixth benefit, it helps clear skin naturally. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, lemon water helps flush out toxins and improves skin clarity. It promotes a healthy, natural glow and may reduce acne over time. The seventh benefit, it freshens your breath. Lemon has antibacterial properties that reduce bad breath and cleanse the mouth. Just remember to rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking to protect your tooth enamel. And finally, it rehydrates your body after sleep. After hours without water, your body wakes up dehydrated. Warm lemon water helps rehydrate and re-energize your system first thing in the morning. How to use it? Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm, not hot water. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Wait 15 to 30 minutes before having breakfast. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients properly. Precautions to keep in mind. Don't overuse lemon. Too much acid may affect tooth enamel. Always rinse your mouth afterward. If you have acidity, ulcers, or citrus sensitivity, consult your doctor first. A glass of warm lemon water each morning is a small habit that brings big health benefits: better digestion, natural detox, stronger immunity, and glowing skin. Try it for a week and feel the difference yourself. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends and family. You never know who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching JoinLife. Stay connected, stay inspired, and let nature's healing power guide your wellness journey. See you in the next video.